I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, refreshing eggnog ice cream. Our next step is going to be straining our custard into a bowl. Now it's very important because you're going to get some solids, as you can see. Of course, if you're not taping it for video, then it's a little bit easier to do things immediately, one right after the other. So you want to make sure you get all of this out, because what these solids are is a little tiny bit of the egg cooking. And because this is an incredibly eggy custard, because it's eggnog, so you want that flavor, you have to be very, very careful. The custard is going to turn in just a moment of seconds. You'll be watching it and all of a sudden it'll start becoming solid. So you want to get that all into a strainer over a bowl, and then with the little bits of solids, you can really just push this through the strainer. It's not going to be a problem. If you have large chunks, that's not going to work, obviously. And you can see it's this really nice, beautiful yellow custardy color, and it's due to all of the egg yolks that are in there. So you want to get this all through there, and it still is going to have a great consistency for your ice cream. And once you get that through and you just scoop off the bottom, then it's time for the next step.